Hello guys, welcome back to the part 5 of this training series, How to Succeed with Solo Ads. Now, if you did miss any part of this training series, please refer the links in the description box below in order to understand the different parts of this tutorial series. Now, in this part 5 of this training series, we are going to see what are the different tools that are required in order to run our email marketing business using solo ads. So let's see the first tool that we require. So the first tool that will be required here is Bluehost. Now you need Bluehost because you need to have your own domain, custom domain. So you can always check out the different affiliate links for the 4 different softwares that I'm going to discuss in this training tutorial video. You can always buy through my affiliate link in the description box below and it won't cost you any extra penny, but this will encourage me to put out more training videos on different softwares and also how to use all these softwares in order to build our entire email marketing business using solo ads. So simply put, you just need to watch the entire training tutorial series and just start as I guide you through the videos. So let's see how to get a domain. So when you click on the affiliate link for Bluehost in the description box below, you will reach this page. And you can go and click on get started. So you can go for the different plans over here. I would recommend you to go for the basic, which will be good enough for us as an affiliate marketer. So go and click on select. So you will reach this page called where you can create your new domain or use a domain you own already. So if you're someone who is completely new to the online marketing space and even if you're a beginner, then Bluehost has given the option of giving the domain free. Only you have to pay the hosting fee. So you can always go and create your own domain. So for this example, I'm just creating it as affiliate, mono affiliate, and you can always go for the .com and please don't go for the other ones. Now click on next. I'm searching whether the domain is available. So congrats, your domain is available. And after that, you can always enter your first name, last name, your business name, and the country that you're purchasing from, and the state, postal code, and email address. And this email address is going to be very important as this email address will be required whenever you log into your domain. So please make sure that you have this email address. Next is when you come over to the plan information, you can see the WordPress basic hosting. So we are going for the basic plan, and the service term is for 12 months. So you do have the monthly plan, but I would recommend you to go for the 1-year plan. So 1 year it comes around $35.40, which will be the hosting price for 12 months. And domain registration is going to be free for the first year. So you can see the total amount is going to be $35.40. So after that, you can go and enter your card details and make the payment. So this is how you're going to create your domain using Bluehost for your email marketing purpose. So if you have questions like how to create the email address and all those, we will discuss in the subsequent training how to use Bluehost to create your own email address. So now let's look at the other 3 tools that we require for our email marketing business. So the next software that we will require is a funnel builder, and the funnel builder that I would recommend you is Lead Pages. It is cost effective. As an affiliate marketer, this will be good enough for us. So when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach this page, and from here you can see you can have 14 days free trial for both the standard and the pro plan. And I would suggest you to go for the standard plan, and you can see the different options: pay monthly or pay yearly. And if you are someone who has a long-term vision and has the budget, then I would recommend you to go for the pay yearly option, and where it costs around $37 per month, and you can save around $144 per year. And if not, then you can go for the pay monthly option, where you can get it for $49 per month, and you always have a free trial of 14 days. So you can use those 14 days as a free trial and get used to the platform. So you can always click on the start free trial button over here. Now you can sign up with your email ID and get started. So the third software that we are going to discuss in our email marketing business is the email autoresponder. And the email autoresponder of my choice is going to be AWeber first, since it gives you very good deliverability and it is a cost-effective option as a beginner affiliate marketer. When you click on the link in the description box below, the affiliate link of mine, you will reach this page and you can always enter the first name, last name and the email address and get started for free. And then you can go here and check the pricing over here, and you can see the different options available over here, which is monthly and annually. And I sincerely recommend to go for the monthly plan. Now, why it is not a good option to go for the annual plan, especially using an autoresponder, I will discuss about that in the subsequent videos. So under the monthly option, you have 4 different plans over here. Whether it is monthly or annually. So free, light, plus and unlimited. You can always go for the plus plan, because under plus plan, you have one important note, a key note that you have to understand over here is that if you use the plus plan, you can avoid the double opt-in confirmation that is mandatory if you use the light or free plan. So you always need to use the plus plan if you are going to use email marketing with solo ads. So it will cost around $30 per month and you can have around 500 subscribers. So please go for the plus plan to begin with initially. So the fourth tool that we will need is a third-party tracking software called Optin Dojo. Guys, if you're someone who is serious about email marketing business using solo ads and you want to become a top affiliate marketer, then I would seriously recommend you for this tool called Optin Dojo. Now, this tool Optin Dojo does 2 important things. Number 1, Optin Dojo gives you most important data points regarding your traffic, like who are the solo ad vendors that are giving you responsive clicks and quality clicks, and also what about the open rates and what about the click-through rates, and also how responsive they are, and also whether there are any flagged clicks or bot clicks. And even further, it can give you where the clicks came from, which country it came from, and all those stuff. You can really use these data points to scale your campaign and at the same time cut down a campaign. Now, the second most important point regarding Optin Dojo is that it helps you build your buyers list. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, whenever you try to promote a product offline or online through other platforms, any platforms for sake, like for example, even if it is a ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore, whatever it might be, if you are trying to get a sale and if you do get a sale from affiliate products, then the vendor might not share the buyer's email address with you, right? Yeah, the vendor does not share with you any email address of the person who has bought through your affiliate link. Remember this, guys. So what does Optin Dojo do here to help us as an affiliate marketer? We need this buyer's email address. So what Optin Dojo does it, whenever a person buys through your affiliate link, email address of those buyers are moved into a separate segment called buyers list. So this tool, Optin Dojo, will tell AWeber or Getresponse or any autoresponder for that sake to move this particular email address that has bought through this affiliate link to another email list. So that's how this tool is going to work wonders for us as an affiliate marketer. So when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below for Optin Dojo, you will reach this page, and when you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the different plans available over here. So you have the marketer, the pro and guru plan, and you can see these are for the monthly option. And when you click on the yearly option, you can see it's almost $10 of saving per month. And if you do have the budget, then I would seriously recommend you to go for the yearly plan, and always go for the marketer plan, since as a beginner, this would be good enough for you to start on this email marketing business. And from there you can click on get access now, and they will ask you the basic information like name, email address and credit card or PayPal address details. You can always provide them and enroll into this software. So if you're someone who is very serious and interested to build an online business using email marketing with solo ads, then I would seriously recommend you these 4 software tools. The first is domain, and the second is the funnel builder software, and the third is the autoresponder, and the fourth is the most important one, the tracking tool called Optin Dojo. So with that being said, let's meet in another part of this training series where we will discuss in depth of these different tools. So thank you and bye.